What's the meaning of Army surplus? Army surplus. Army surplus.
Army surplus. Army surplus. Army surplus refers to items of military equipment or supplies that are no longer needed by the armed forces and are therefore sold off to the public. These items can include clothing, boots, backpacks, tents, and other gear used by soldiers in the field. Purchasing Army surplus items can be a cost-effective way to acquire durable and functional goods for use in outdoor activities such as camping or hiking. Additionally, some people collect Army surplus items for their historical value or as a hobby.